Hi, I was wondering if I could get the coffee maker. Alright. So far, there hasn't been a no.
Yeah, you can actually.
Awesome. I'll take one.
One of those?
Yeah.
I'll have you put one in the window.
Alright, thanks. Oh man. That was, so far that's been a lot easier than I thought. I wonder if it shows up on their little screen where like the order's there so the guy knows what he's supposed to be grabbing. Like, coffee maker. Hopefully this isn't more than $150. Well, yeah. Well, that was easy.
Waiting for the remainder of our Tim cards. We could get two triples at the extra.
We almost could, eh? That's how much there is.
Here it is. Tim Hortons coffee maker.
Untitled Drive-Thru. Okay. Awesome. Thank you. You too. Thanks for playing along.
Well, that was a success.
There you have it, folks.
For anybody wondering, you can order a coffee maker in the Tim Hortons drive-thru and pay with plastic.
Even if you don't order coffee to go with your new home. Oh, that's a cleaning tool. A wire tie with no teeth on it.
It even says Tim Hortons on the clock.
Sweet. That's a weird little clock.